Hi guys.
I think I don't have any makeup on, like I'm so yellow because of the light here is yellow. We are here. We found a Korean restaurant here near in our hotel building. Mahilig tayo sa mga Korean drama. So, pati food na rin. So, we are ordering 3 dish. So, we're gonna try it out. I think we tried it na sa London, UK. Pero we'll see which one is better. But talaga yung Korean, guys. Every time we have meal or you have your thank you so much. Every time nakakain sila, they always have or prepare you or serve you side dishes. Variety of side dishes. Hindi ko lang alam guys kung anong mga pangalan nito, but yeah, looks delish. But I know this one is kimchi. So ito yung first na in-order ko, lunchbox. Tada! Traditional Korean food. Parang kimchi, spam, seaweed eggs, rice. Then we have a tteokbokki in here. Kain tayo guys. Ito yung parang traditional lunchbox na ginagawa ng Koreans, di ba? Pag may picnic sila or nag-trivia date. Then they have got soup in here. Oh my god guys, nakikita ko lang to sa mga Korean shows na meron silang noodles, cheese, and tteokbokki over melted cheese noodles. Hindi ko ma-explain guys, pero yun siya. Finally, nakita ko na siya. Wow! Careful, it's hot. Bongga guys, after namin kumain, they gave us this free 2 slices of fruit. Hey guys! Today is our flight to going back to Kiev. Pero 10 PM pa. Medyo matagal-tagal na hintayan pa to kasi now it is 2 PM pa guys. We're strolling here around the park. Victoria Park siguro to. Hindi ko alam. So this area pala guys is called Causeway Bay. So malaki yung Causeway Bay is marami siyang mga posh na mga branded shopping stores and then shopping Churvanes, yon. So here, makikita mo itong building na to. Here, every corner here papasok, marami siyang mga shop, mga Prada, Gucci, etc. yon. And then, marami din siyang kakainan guys, yon. So, market din, which is nice.